Hey guys, and welcome back. I hope you're all well. So today I'm going to be doing a motivational kitchen clean with me. It's very rainy here today, so this is the perfect opportunity to catch up on some kitchen cleaning. Also, you'll be able to get a sneak peek of our kitchen as a whole. So give this video a thumbs up if it motivates you to clean along with me, or just give you some motivation in general. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. First off, I'm listening to the latest Skinny Confidential, him and her podcast in the background, which is all about anxiety and stress coping tips. This was such a super helpful podcast, along with their previous one with psychologist Dr. Michael Jervis. Both fascinating but full of value episodes that I will link down below. Cleaning wise, I'm first wiping down all the work surfaces with my washing up liquid and water mix and a minky. Next, I had a couple of bits I wanted to hand wash instead of putting them in the dishwasher. We have been putting on our dishwasher every other night when it's completely full, but I'd love to know if you have any dishwasher tips in the comments down below, whether it be cleaning or loading or just the washing in general, because this is all new to Ben and I, so definitely let me know. Afterwards, I cleaned up the sink again using the washing up liquid mix, along with some white vinegar and the yellow cloth from the Spontex kitchen kit on the metal parts of the sink. Then, to give it a real good shine, I always love using the minky green cloth just to buff everything up. This gives the best shine. I do use it dry, but it does get wet from the sink. All of these products can be found located on my Amazon store under cleaning favorites, so anything that I do mention or that you see me using, it's most probably linked there. Okay, next I wanted to quickly wipe down the microwave. Ever since having this new one, I have to say I love how it's integrated in with the oven, and it being at eye level too. It's just so easy to keep clean and see it. I have got in the main oven some oven liner just to ensure everything does stay clean. I have mentioned this before in the previous house, but you can get it from Home Bargains. It's black and it comes on a roll, and all you do is cut it to size. I also wanted to get some liner for the microwave plate, which you can get in Poundland. It looks like and feels like greaseproof paper, but it's a bit thicker, and again you can cut this to size. For the kitchen cupboards, I wanted to make up a Soflora mix of 1 cap of Soflora, then the rest you just fill with water in a spray bottle. I decided to use lemon zing as I love this for the kitchen, so I think it just smells so nice and fits perfectly in with the kitchen. So I use this teamed with a Spontex sponge just to disinfect all the cupboards. Now I do have a Soflora Hour video where I share different things to disinfect throughout the house, and Soflora also have loads of tips on their website, so I will put that video in the description bar down below if you want more ideas. So these cupboards are exactly the same finish as the ones in our old house, the only difference being they are white instead of cream and they don't have handles. You guys, I wanted to share with you the juice shots I made using these shot glasses that I picked up from Amazon. I will link the recipe down below. It's actually on my Pinterest under, I think, healthy inspiration. We've already had 2 sets of them. In here is oranges, turmeric, cayenne, I think it is, pepper, and lemon and ginger, and you just shake it up. They do burn the throat, but honestly, they are so good. They taste exactly like the ones from Pret, and also Innocent do a fiery shot, so they're much more affordable. So we've got 3 days worth for Ben and I to share, but I just thought I would show you how they turned out. I think putting the cayenne pepper in helps preserve them. But anyway, I did add a couple of apples as well, just because I felt like there wasn't quite enough. So I think next time I will buy more oranges. Finally, to finish off my kitchen list, I just went around and hoovered all of the floor, and then I also bought some nice flowers from Tesco. I did actually go to Lidl, but they had a power cut, so they were closed, and you guys know how much I love their flowers in there, but I didn't get them from there. Like I said, I picked them up in Tesco, and actually I was really pleasantly surprised at how good of selection they had, and also they were a good price. So I just picked up these 2 packs of white flowers. You guys, I'm no good with names. I know the white spray of flowers is called gypsophilia, but I can't remember what the other ones are called. But I just thought they looked really nice in this large glass vase. This I got from IKEA years ago, but it's a really handy vase if you just want to make a bigger arrangement and you don't want to cut much off the stems. And that is it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this kitchen clean with me motivation video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and thank you so much for watching, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love to have you as part of the PBB community. If you love everything from home decor to cleaning motivation to also skincare and self-care, have a great rest of the week and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care guys. Bye.